Hey guys, Potato Army here, and today I shall be making a video on Jetpack Joyride. Now, I did play 2 rounds on this just to get the hang of it, and it's kind of addicting. I'll tell you that. So yeah, whatever, and let's just get started. Yeah, I was in the middle of this, so yeah. I'm a level 2 already, and I don't know, I'm just gonna make a series on this, collecting all the jetpacks and showing you them. Right now, this is just the machine gun jetpack. Probably the most original jetpack in the game. Ooh, that was a missile. Oh, I hopped the missile. That was awesome. Good. I have to pay attention to the zappers and the missiles and the lasers. Gets annoying. Machine. My favorite bird ever. Like, profits. Crap, I forgot you have to keep tapping it. It's like Flappy Bird all over again. Yes. Collected 2 spin tokens in 1 game. I remember that was one of my missions. This is the first video on this channel, so I hope you guys enjoy. And no! My private bird. Alright. Ooh. Oh, yes, the lasers. I hate these things. God, no, I jumped right into it too. Alright, and yes! Next, run. Double! And this is part 1, so wait, for part 1. Yes! 500 tokens. And I get 400 coins. An omnibus badge or something. I like coins. Wow. Alright, so I know what to do now. Ding, 1. Oh, how many flashing lights do I need to press? 10. Oh, yes, the double coins. Oh, I could have brushed past that one, but I would die. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, I'm taking my chances on that. A little too dangerous. Machine. Bad as. Wow. I guess they can't swear in this game, so. Yeah. Wow, that was terrible. Alright, got that achievement. Let's go. I'm gonna go on foot a little bit, because that's also another mission. The gravity suit. I hate this suit so much. I don't know why. I think it's like one of the worst power-ups in the game. It's so hard to use. Dang it. Clicked it at the wrong time. Coins! Yes. I'm my next level already. Wow, I'm leveling up really good in this game. No, I could have collected the spin token too. If I died a little slower. And no, I was so close to the nuke. Are you kidding me? I was so close. 800 coins. Alright. Wow, so, this is intense. It is so intense. I'm going to save up to 7,000 into the next video. This is part 1, where I'm using the machine gun. The next video, I shall be using the bubble jetpack. I hate that jetpack, but it's so awesome. There's a lot of androids here. At least I think that's what they're called. If you know what they're called, just leave it below in the comments. Because I don't know what they're called. Oh, I don't have my double coins anymore. I'm sad now. Yes, spin token. No! Wow, what was that? Alright. So once again, this is my first video, so I don't know how well it's gonna be. But who cares? I'm doing amazing. Oh, did he just trip on nothing? Or did he like faint or something? Wow, it destroyed them all. The missile just like rampaged through them. So apparently the missile can only hit me, but it can go through them. That doesn't seem very fair. What are they, invincible to it or something? Got that spin token. Yes! Ah, my favorite thing ever. Mr. Cuddles is my favorite. I don't know why. I just like him so much because he can breathe fire. God. This is so dope. That ended.
You're supposed to walk right there. What are you thinking?
My brother's playing Minecraft right now. So if you can hear him in the background, yeah. Ooh, scissors.
I mean, seriously. Last time we with them. Project.
Oh, dang
Project.
it. Not so
Try to
green.
get out this sort of sand.
And Matrix.
There's a project.
Yes! I got the Atom Blast. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. That was so far. Alright. Oh no, I am no. Rank up. Oh, I have to get to 5 this time? Alright, so I guess that's going to be the end of the video for today, guys. That was part 1. And in the next video, you'll see I'll have the bubble jetpack. So, hold on. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out. Potato Army out.